babies. Today, my big brother is doing a YouTube video, and I'm going to prank them. I'm going to do an annoying song. It's very annoying. Let me sing. This is gonna be annoying.